Hey everyone, so deep conditioning overnight is not for everybody, but my hair absolutely loves it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I deep condition my hair overnight. Now I've already shampooed my hair, so I'm just going to jump straight to the conditioning step. And in this video, I'm actually going to be using two different conditioners because one of them, the Herbal Essence, I had a little bit left in the tube, so I wanted to use that up. And then the second one that I'm using is going to be the Creme of Nature. So basically going to make sure I saturate, and I mean saturate. I'm very heavy-handed with my conditioners because I like my hair to be super moisturized, and I'm going to make sure I apply that from roots to tip. And then I'm going to put on my shower cap, put on my hair bonnet, and sleep with this overnight. Now, as I stated earlier, deep conditioning overnight is not for everybody. I know there's going to be some people that don't agree with this, or their hair doesn't agree with this, and that is just fine. Everybody's hair is different, likes different things. Some people's hair ends up mushy if they do this, or it ends up too soft. So basically, this is a trial and error type of thing. If you've never tried it before, you can try it, see if you like it. If you don't ever have to do it again. But I do think this is something worth a try, especially if you don't deep condition all the time. Like sometimes I shampoo my hair and I actually skip the deep conditioning step. I'll actually just make up for it maybe like once a month by doing an overnight deep condition. So right here, this is what my hair looks like the next day, the next morning actually, before I've rinsed the conditioner out. Just giving you guys a shot of how it looks. And I went ahead and rinsed it out and towel dried with my microfiber towel. And I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner and heat protectant before I get ready to blow dry my hair. This is my absolute favorite leave-in conditioner. And then this heat protectant right here, I also really like this. I love heat protectant or a mist because it's very easy to get it all dispersed throughout your hair. So I'll make sure to leave those down in the description box. And then now I'm just going to basically detangle my hair very gently because I'm a few weeks post now. And I start to get tangles and matting really easily. So during this step right here, I just try to make sure I be super easy and careful with my hair while I'm detangling it. Of course, make sure to use a wide tooth comb. Here's what my hair is looking like in the back right here. So from here, I'm basically going to get ready to get my hair prepped for blow drying. So I always section my hair off into sections, and I blow dry my hair a section at a time, basically. Makes it much easier. I'm going to start with this back section right here. And once I get that section ready, I'm going to make it half of a section, if that makes sense. A bottom section and a top section. So right now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the bottom section. That makes it easier instead of just taking that one whole section at a time. I basically put my hair into 4 sections, but with each section I divide it into half. So it makes it blow dry quicker, faster, easier, and to me it's less stress on the hair when you break it down into little sections like that. Because as you can see, my hair is super thick, especially when I start getting several weeks post relaxer. It gets really thick and tangly and harder to deal with. So breaking it down into those sections definitely help with the maintenance. This blow dryer right here, I absolutely love this blow dryer. This is a Red by Kiss, and it has the comb attachment, and that is a game changer too. Like having a comb attachment, I know some people use like a brush when they're blow drying their hair, but I absolutely love the comb attachment. My hair, it has like a whole lot of body to it. The deep conditioner overnight definitely helps. So I'm going to be using a curling iron instead of a flat iron, which I have not used in such a long time. Something just told me like I just got tired of flat ironing my hair, and sometimes I just want to wear it like kind of puffy like how it is right now. So I was like, let me go get my curling iron. And I literally had not used my curling iron in like years. So I'm basically showing you how I go section by section. Gonna curl my hair, just basically bumping the bottom like we used to do way back in the day. I don't know if y'all remember that, but we used to just take a curling iron and bump the ends. So just showing you guys in this video what my hair looks like without flat ironing it, because I know the last few videos I flat ironed it each time. So the results at the end are going to be super cute. You're going to see. But this is a, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 1 inch and 1/4 inch, if I'm not mistaken. It's either that or a 1.5 inch curling iron. And I think this is, I can't remember the brand. I'll go back and look at it. And I'll put it in a description box down there. But doing your hair like this, it's kind of like rolling it. If you don't want to use heat, you could use some big rollers and roll your hair like this and maybe sit under a dryer or sleep with it overnight. But, you know, this is the quicker way with the heat. But even if you just rolled your hair, you'd probably still get the same results as long as it was like big rollers or whatever. And so I'm not even going to use edge control. I'm not even going to do any of that. I was just basically taking a brush and brushing down where my hair is a little short around the edges. So y'all know the same way I do my flexi rise, I'm going to do my hair right here. Just shake it out. I just like to get it loose first, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my wide tooth comb and comb it out. Just comb it out, style it to your liking. But it's basically already styled because all I needed to do was just get the curls loose, and just gonna comb them out and basically done like that. Like flat ironing would have took like 20 to 30 minutes, and just curling it like that took probably like 5 minutes or less. And look at the body, still has plenty of body. It's puffy, but I actually like it like that because that gives it volume. It's bigger, big hair, puffy, flowy, thick. It looks thicker because when you flat iron your hair, it's straighter, so it's just automatically thinner. But like this, the hair has a whole lot of body to it. So these are basically I'm laughing at myself. These are basically the results that I got of deep conditioning my hair overnight. Very moisturized. This is definitely a method that I would give it a shot. If it doesn't work for you, again, you know, don't worry about it. Try, you know, just stick to the 15 to 20 minutes. But just letting you guys see my results. Let me know if you guys have ever tried doing this before. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.